So now discuss about these three cells. So consider that we imported this data like cells 2015, 16 and 17 individually. It is very difficult. Let's my company got it sales data of 2019 and 18 also. So it will be the manual work. I need to import those, and then again I need to merge those tables, those columns or those data with the Excel. So this is going to be a manual work for me, right? Instead of doing this, let me just close it. I already shared the one folder with you. So we will directly connect with the the sales folder. So I'm just deleting these all three these three files. So you know that how to import the data. Okay, so how we can connect with the folder, let's understand. Okay, so for that I don't have to go here, so I'll just go under the more, then it will pop up one window for me. See, so here we can see the option folder. Let's connect with that, and simply have to paste my link, which is I already copied. So I simply paste over here and click OK. So whenever the new files or the new data comes for update purpose, I just need to, you know, I just need to update that folder, the data under that folder, and that data automatically will add into my AW cells, right? So I have given you that data, so you can connect this folder. Oh, see, it is not difficult to import each and every file, but what happen if you import the multiple files at once? 2016 data, 17 data, again you have to, once the data you get updated data, again you have to upload that data. So it will be the lengthy work. So instead of that doing this practice, you can just simply connect with the folder. Whenever the data comes for update, you just simply need to update the data or the this data into that particular folder, right? So it's connecting. See, here is data. I don't want this. Okay, so I just remove this column and check. I'll check about this data type. Yes, order number is okay, product is okay, customer data okay. Yes, everything is okay. So under the source you can check out about this data. So it is going to be app. This is your fact table. So app sales data, app AW. Okay, so whatever you want. So these all three files are combined and are here. So this is how you can connect with the folder, okay, instead of connecting the multiple files. Yes.